Here at Joan, our social media team reads quite a few interesting comments, so we decided to share them with the rest of our team and see their reactions and comments.
Can't believe these people are still paying to advertise this useless invention.
Useless and advertising since 6 months? Freaks. Okay.
More crap on Instagram. Thanks.
Smart people don't need this, and dumb people don't know how to use it. Useless and worthless. Well, people at NASA do need this, and people at Virgin also, so they don't seem that dumb, do they?
Why can't people just use paper and pencil and put up a sign? Well, can a piece of paper do this?
Why can't people just use paper and pencil and put a sign? Well, does a paper and pencil support G Suite, Office 365, iCalendar, and CollegeNet? I don't think so. But Joan does.
Why can't people just use paper and pencil and put a sign? Okay, let's try it. Okay, we're gonna have a meeting right now. Can I connect the iCal to this? How do I do this? It doesn't really work, huh?
Neat concept, but seems kind of expensive for a conference room sign. Well, you could buy a cheap Android tablet, wire it, mount it, or charge it every day. Or you could buy Joan and just do that.
Feel like this is so niche that you're better off flying me out to Regis and WeWork office to pitch on a company-wide contract by taking their purchasing department jet skiing, then running ads one-to-one to the seemingly oversized targeting audience. Well, thanks, Tim. We've added this to our marketing strategy.
Joan, a better way to manage your meeting rooms.
I need water. Give me water.
That's the type of recording.